doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. What are we learning today?
Well, I want to show you some vacuum pack products, but especially I want to show you some packaging materials. For example, here we have this vacuum pack pork chop.
Oh, I can see that. The air has been removed and the bag has been sealed.
Yes, actually, vacuum packing is a very common practice for the food industry and the retail industry. So, if you remember from the module, we talk about R.O.P is whenever a packaging material doesn't allow the transmission of oxygen. For example, look this sausage. This is vacuum pack. It's in a 3-meal bag that doesn't allow the oxygen transmission. So this is considered a R.O.P product. Now, let me show you this tilapia. This is a skin pack. So it looks like it's vacuum packed, but this film actually allows the transmission of oxygen. So it is not considered an R.O.P product.
But these two products all look similar to me. They all look vacuum packed. How can I tell which one is R.O.P product and which one is not?
You are correct, Winnie. A lot of times, people see this type of packaging and they think that it is a reduced oxygen package, but actually they are not. Now, Winnie, let me show you these 3 different bags. These 3 look very similar. Now, can you feel that they're pretty similar to touch?
Yes, they're similar by the touch as well.
And if you are not familiar with the packaging, you will really not be able to tell if they allow or not the oxygen to go inside and out. For example, this one here. This is a 3-meal bag. It's very common to use in the industry. This one doesn't allow the oxygen to go in and out of the packaging. So anything vacuum packed in this bag will be considered an R.O.P product. Okay. Now, this one is a poly bag. This one allows the oxygen to go in and out. So if you have a product that is vacuum packed in this bag, it will not be considered an R.O.P product. And then lastly, this one here has some micro perforations that allow the oxygen to go in and out. The same, if you vacuum pack something in this bag, it will not be considered an R.O.P product.
Oh, I got it. So the oxygen permeable bags allow the transmission of the gas between the inside of the package and out of the environment.
Yes.
But I have a question. If they look so similar, how can I tell which one allows oxygen to transmit and which one does not?
Well, that's a very good question, Winnie. By definition, an oxygen permeable bag is the one that allows the transmission of oxygen of 10,000 cubic centimeters per square meter per 24 hours at 24 Celsius degrees.
So where can we get the information about the oxygen transmission rate of the packaging material?
Well, the information usually is in your product specifications, but if you cannot find it there, you can actually request to your packaging supplier and they will be able to supply with that information.
Wow, I learned a lot from our packaging expert today. Now you know you need to know your packaging material to decide if your product is R.O.P product or not.